Hi, Pirates! It's Miss Edwards.
Mr. Brinkman.
Woo! Happy day to you guys. Today we're going to talk about habit 3.
Habit 3 is putting first things first.
This week I have been checking out all of my 7 Habits books. I have this one. I have the Leader in Me book. Woo! And then I have the old school book that some of the teachers like to read.
When I think of habit 3, I think of being disciplined and organized. I also think about spending my time on things that are most important. That also includes not doing things I shouldn't do when people ask.
Here's a really good example. I have a really good example. Do you want one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I've been talking to a lot of kids this week, and they get really stressed out about that at a glance that gets sent home, the non-live work. I'm very frequently talking to them Thursday afternoon, Friday morning, Friday afternoon, because they have so much work to do on the at a glance. But when I talk to them, did they do any of that work on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday? They did not. So I feel like if you're able to put first things first, you can get that work done so that on a Friday afternoon and all weekend long, you have your free weekend.
Exactly. It sounds like you're really setting priorities to get the most important things done before everything else, right?
Right. So that's why you want to put first things first, get done what you have to do, and then that way you have all this time to do everything else you need to do. It also limits your stress because you got done what you had to do. So there's not that stress of, oh my gosh, I have all this work to do. My mom's going to get upset. She's not going to let me watch the movie I want to watch. That's not going to happen if you put first things first.
Awesome. Thanks for the explanation, Miss Edwards.
All right, guys, we'll see you with our next video. Bye.